Tesla, one of the most innovative companies of our time, a name synonymous with electric vehicles, clean energy, and technological disruption. But the real question investors are asking is, will Tesla's stock continue to rise, or will it face challenges? In this video, we'll dive into 5 compelling reasons why Tesla's stock could be heading upward in the near future. So, sit back, relax, and let's get into it right now. Reason number 1. The global adoption of electric vehicles is accelerating. This shift is not just a trend, but a significant movement towards a more sustainable future. The urgency to combat climate change and reduce carbon emissions is driving this transformation. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are at the forefront of this revolution, and Tesla is leading the charge. Countries around the world are setting ambitious targets to phase out gasoline-powered cars, and Tesla is positioned to take full advantage. Governments are implementing stringent regulations and offering substantial incentives to encourage the adoption of EVs. These policies are designed to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote cleaner air. Tesla, with its innovative technology and forward-thinking approach, is perfectly aligned with these global objectives. From Europe to Asia, governments are offering incentives to switch to EVs, and Tesla's cutting-edge technology, massive production capacity, and strong brand recognition put it in a prime position. In Europe, countries like Norway and Germany are leading the way with generous subsidies and tax breaks for EV buyers. In Asia, China is aggressively pushing for EV adoption with substantial government support and investment in charging infrastructure. Tesla's presence in these markets is growing rapidly, and its ability to scale production to meet demand is unmatched. In fact, the International Energy Agency predicts that by 2030, there could be over 145 million EVs on the road globally. This projection underscores the massive potential for growth in the EV market. As more consumers become aware of the environmental and economic benefits of electric vehicles, the demand is expected to surge. Tesla's commitment to innovation and sustainability positions it as a key player in this expanding market. Tesla has already built an infrastructure to meet this growing demand, and its dominance in the market will likely push its stock upward. The company's Gigafactories are churning out vehicles at an unprecedented rate, and its network of superchargers is expanding rapidly. Tesla's dealerships are bustling with activity as more consumers make the switch to electric. With its strong brand loyalty and continuous advancements in technology, Tesla is not just keeping up with the market but setting the pace for the entire industry. The future of transportation is electric, and Tesla is at the helm, steering us towards a cleaner, greener world. Reason number 2. Tesla isn't just a car company. It's also a leader in battery technology and energy storage solutions. With the increasing demand for renewable energy, Tesla's battery systems like the Powerwall and Megapack are becoming essential for both homeowners and businesses looking to store energy. Tesla's advancements in battery efficiency, range, and cost-effectiveness give the company a competitive edge. Not only does this innovation increase the profitability of their cars, but it also opens up new revenue streams in energy storage, which could drive the stock higher in the future. Reason number 3. Tesla is a pioneer in autonomous driving and artificial intelligence. Tesla's full self-driving system is one of the most advanced on the market, and with every software update, it's getting closer to achieving full autonomy. Self-driving cars represent a massive market opportunity that could transform transportation as we know it. If Tesla successfully launches a fleet of robo-taxis, it could open up a multi-billion-dollar revenue stream. Investors are betting on this future, and as Tesla continues to make strides in AI, it could boost the company's stock significantly. Reason number 4. Tesla's vertical integration and Gigafactories are key to its competitive advantage. This strategy sets Tesla apart from traditional automakers in several significant ways. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla controls nearly every aspect of production, from battery manufacturing to software development. This means that Tesla doesn't have to rely on third-party suppliers for critical components, allowing for a more streamlined and efficient production process. This vertical integration allows Tesla to maintain high levels of quality control and innovation. By having direct oversight over the entire production chain, Tesla can quickly implement new technologies and improvements, ensuring that their products remain at the cutting edge of the industry. Tesla's Gigafactories are also crucial to scaling production and meeting global demand. These massive facilities are designed to produce not just cars but also batteries and other energy products at a scale that is unmatched in the industry. With new Gigafactories in Berlin, Shanghai, and upcoming ones in Mexico and the US, Tesla is increasing its manufacturing capacity at an unprecedented pace. Each Gigafactory is strategically located to serve different markets, reducing shipping costs and delivery times. More factories mean more cars, more energy products, and ultimately, higher revenue. The increased production capacity allows Tesla to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions, positioning the company for long-term success. And as Tesla scales, so too could its stock price. Investors are closely watching Tesla's expansion efforts, and the company's ability to deliver on its ambitious goals could lead to significant financial gains. The combination of vertical integration and gigafactories not only strengthens Tesla's market position, but also enhances its potential for future growth. Reason number 5. Tesla's strong financial performance and expansion into new markets are driving investor confidence. Despite challenges, Tesla continues to report impressive growth in revenue, profits, and deliveries. Tesla's operating margins are among the highest in the automotive industry, and as the company expands into new regions like India and Southeast Asia, it's unlocking even more growth potential. The company's innovation, combined with its healthy balance sheet, has kept Tesla ahead of its competition. As Tesla enters new markets, improves its financials, and taps into new sources of revenue, the stock has strong potential to rise even further. So there you have it, 5 compelling reasons why Tesla stock might continue to rise. With the global adoption of electric vehicles accelerating at an unprecedented pace, Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology, significant advancements in autonomous driving, their unique and efficient production capabilities, and their strong financial performance, Tesla remains a stock to watch closely. The company has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation, setting new standards in the automotive industry and beyond. As always though, investing comes with risks. The stock market can be unpredictable, and even the most promising companies can face challenges. It's crucial to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor to make informed decisions. What do you think about Tesla's future? Will Tesla's stock keep rising, or will it face hurdles along the way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our community and value your insights. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis on the companies shaping our future. Your support helps us create more content that keeps you informed and ahead of the curve. Love staying ahead on the latest market trends and tech innovations? Then make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest insights and trends that matter. We've got plenty more deep dives, expert analysis, and insider tips coming your way. Our team of experts works tirelessly to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information. Don't miss out, click the bell icon so you're always in the loop when we drop fresh content. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, the world of investing is always evolving, and staying informed is key to making the best decisions. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and learning. But wait, there's more. Tesla's focus on renewable energy solutions, including solar panels and solar roofs, positions it as a leader in the green energy market. This diversification strengthens its market presence and opens new revenue streams. Tesla's solar products are designed to seamlessly integrate with their energy storage solutions, providing a comprehensive approach to sustainable living. Homeowners and businesses alike are turning to Tesla for their energy needs, reducing reliance on traditional power sources and cutting down on carbon footprints. The company's solar roof, which replaces traditional roofing materials with solar tiles, is a game changer. It not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also generates electricity, making it a smart and eco-friendly choice for modern homes. In addition, Tesla's Powerwall and PowerPack systems store energy for use during peak hours, outages, or even to power homes off the grid. This integration of solar generation and energy storage is a testament to Tesla's innovative spirit and commitment to a sustainable future. As more consumers and businesses adopt these green technologies, Tesla's influence in the renewable energy sector continues to grow. This expansion into renewable energy not only aligns with global sustainability goals, but also provides Tesla with a robust and diversified business model. So, as you consider the future of Tesla, remember that their vision extends beyond electric vehicles to a world powered by clean, renewable energy. It's this forward-thinking approach that sets Tesla apart and could drive its continued success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the companies shaping our future. Stay curious, stay informed, and until next time, keep exploring and learning.